Hello everybody, in this short screencast I'm going to show you how to change your account settings on your ADSL router. The ADSL router we'll be using is a Telkom router, the Mega 100WR. Telkom routers all have the same graphical web interface, so if you have any of the Telkom routers, the Mega range of those routers, you'll be able to follow this tutorial screen for screen to change your username and password to connect to your ADSL account that your ISP such as Cyber Connect has provided to you. If ever you have a different kind of router, ADSL router, you'll follow a similar procedure. If you look in the manual that came with your router, you will see a step-by-step guide on how to change your account settings. But essentially, it's always in the same step that you have to do. Find the place where it's configured, and then just change your username and password. Okay, so to change your username and password for your ADSL account, you first need to fire up your web browser. In this case, I'm using Epiphany, which is the GNOME web browser on Ubuntu. It's a Linux machine. Here, if you're using Windows, you will be using Internet Explorer or Firefox to connect to the router. Now, typically, the ADSL routers that come from Telkom are configured on the 10.0.0.0 subnet, and the default address for the router is 10.0.0.2. So if you type that into your browser, it will connect to your router, and as you see, it will redirect the URL to cgr-bin-web/webcm. You then log in. Typically, the username is admin. The password will be the password that you have set up for this router, not your ISP username and password that I provide you for your ADSL account, but the username and password to connect to the router. The default one is username is admin, and the password I think is also admin or password if it hasn't been changed. If it has been changed, contact Telkom or the people that installed your router. They should be able to give you the password. In fact, they should have provided it with you when they left your house to set it up. Otherwise, if you arrived in the post, set up yourself, you will know this information or can find it in the manual. So we then log in. No, we're not going to remember the password on the particular screen. You then come to your basic information screen. As you can see here, the username we have is my account is cyberconnect.co.za. This is a fake account, so therefore it is not connected at this point in time. As you can see here, it says internet not connected. So let's say I change this account details. You will then click on Quick Start. It will then take you to the screen where you can change your username and password. So I'm going to call this my Cyber account at Cyber Connect. You will change your password to whatever it is that's been provided to you. You can leave the remaining things as they are. Don't have to worry about protocol, VPR, VCR, and then you will just click Connect. At this point, the router will attempt to connect to the internet for you and establish a connection to see if you entered your information correctly. In this case, we will not be able to connect because it's a fake account that I'm using in this demonstration. However, once you have finished doing that, one of the things you must always remember to do is to save your settings. Click here to say Save Settings. Otherwise, next time you reboot your router, it will set it back to the old username and password. Another way to potentially set up your router if you're doing it for the first time is to click on the Setup button. This will take you through a wizard which you're able to set up your router. The other things that you can set up on your are things like your wireless access and security and those things. But this demonstration is just a short demonstration to show you how to change your ADSL account settings in your router if you have it already set up. Thank you very much, and I hope you found it informative. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us www.cyberconnect.co.za on 011 781 8014. Thanks.